take for some because they don't grasp the knowledge.
Yeah, I can see.
To understand it. It's like giving equal time to the Flat Earth Society, right?
Right.
So,
Yeah.
and the news is always careful to do that. So I'm going to give 2 minutes to somebody talking about a warming planet, and I'm going to give 2 minutes to somebody talking about how it's cyclical ice ages or sunspots. And now it seems like they're almost equal in
right.
the reasoning or the science behind them. Somebody like yourself that really knows the nuances can say, look, it's a lot more gray, it's a lot more complicated. For maybe people like that I have at my nature preserve, it can be helpful. I think more helpful than dangerous to oversimplify in a sense.
Yes, no, I agree, yeah.
We are contributing. Look at what we've dumped into the earth. Look at the population levels. Let's do what we can not to. And not necessarily block out other contributing factors,
yeah.
right? But you can talk about how we are contributors too, right? We don't drive it for positive or for negative solely, but introducing too much of the gray area, I think, can then make people think, well, maybe climate change isn't really.
Yeah, and then there's information overload, and then you just become stagnant. It's like, oh, I can't take it anymore. I'll just turn on this video game and play it. Yeah, right. So no, you got a very good point there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, this is good. I hadn't really thought about some of that, the nuances, and my kids. I've got 2 daughters that have been Fulbright scholars, and I've always told them, it's like when you're in the 98th percentile, you got to realize that that means you're 90. You're thinking at a level higher than 98% of the general public, and but you have a responsibility because for those who've been given more and more is expected of them, but you got to learn how to deal with those people that are down at the 50th and lower too.
Sure.
And to be honest, I mean, over the years, I'm getting old and cranky. I would have been much more diplomatic in some of the things that I said 10 years ago. But when you're counting down, it's going, I've got 2 years, 3 months, and 4 days to go. You start to think that way. Yeah. So, but it is really frustrating too when you're dealing with the politics of the age and and nobody wanting to have an intelligent discussion, and instead of going straight for the jugular and name calling and stuff, it just drives me crazy.
Right.
So.
Yeah, I think all of us. Yeah.
So
well, thank you very much.
In the radar and satellite, what are the parameters measured and how it is measured? Can you?
I'm sorry.
In the radar and satellite, you say we take measurement, right, over time. So
yeah. Tell you what, we can go out here and I can. It's after. Yeah, they're done with the bulk of their forecast stuff. So.